Hello everyone. Welcome to Inspire. You are watching short and sweet tutorial series. This series is for beginners and new learners who want to start learning Adobe Premiere Pro software but they don't know where to start or how to start. I will show you very basics of video editing in Premiere Pro step by step. In previous episode we have learned about color correction and color grading using LUTs in Premiere Pro. Now in this video I will show you how you can make your own LUTs. You can adjust color correct and make your footage more cinematic by using LUTs. Now let's get into the Premiere software first. First I will go to timeline here. These are some videos I have edited on timeline. Now I will export any single frame of the timeline to JPEG image to make a LUT in Photoshop. Select this camera icon here. Now give it a proper name. Select JPEG format here. And give it a path where you want to export this image. I will select this LUT folder. Then press OK. It will automatically export single frame in the folder. Now go to folder and open the image in Photoshop. This is layer panel. And this is adjustment panel. We need to use adjustment layers to make a LUT in Photoshop. First I will select the curves in this panel. It will make a new adjustment layer on top of the layers. Now here I will adjust the curves. I will add contrast first, and make it a little bit darker. Now with this option I will adjust red color tones. This will adjust blue color tones only. And I can adjust green tones with this. In this adjustment panel we cannot see names of the effects. So we can select adjustment layers from here also. By selecting this we can see all the adjustment layers names. Now select hue saturation here. Then go to properties and tweak it. Increase saturation a little bit to add more colors in scene. From here also I can change colors separately by selecting this menu. Then I will add vibrance in scene. Then select levels and adjust its shadow, midtones and highlight. Now I will export this layers. This will make a LUT. Select all adjustment layers first and go to File, Export, Color Lookup Tables in this menu. Now here I want to export cube only. So I will uncheck these three icons. I will make this grid points to high. Then give it a proper name and press OK. And give it a proper location and press Save. Now your LUT is ready to use in Premiere Pro. Open Adobe Premiere Pro now. And go to Effect panel first. Search Lumetri Color in search bar. And apply Lumetri Color on your footage. Now in Effect Control panel select Lumetri Color Effect and go to Creative section here. Select this look menu and select Browse option here. Then go to folder where you have exported your LUT and select the LUT. It will automatically apply LUT to your footage. Then play and check the video. Now you can copy this Lumetri effect in Control panel and paste it on any footage you want, like this. Every video's color, styles, and settings will be different, so it may not give same result on every video. You can tweak other settings directly here in Basic Corrections option. You can change it according to your videos. Try your own LUTs and apply it on videos. And hit on like button, and subscribe to this channel to get a new tutorials of editing and VFX.